Alright, you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are not new, thank you so much for tuning in today. If you are new, my name is Leia, and this is my cash stuffing channel where we do all things budgeting, saving money, saving challenges, paying off debt, just all the things, right, that deals with cash stuffing. So let's just go ahead and get right into this reallocation video. Let's go. All right, you guys, so as you can see, we are doing a reallocation video instead of a mini Monday because this week's budget for my paycheck, we just did not have enough money to do a savings challenge video, and that's okay. That's fine. It's okay. We're just going to substitute a mini Monday with a reallocation video, and I'm happy about that. So let's just go ahead and get right into this. I am excited to see how much we saved. All right, you guys, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 completed saving challenges, and we are going to start with this one. This saving challenge, hold on. This saving challenge, it comes from Boopin' Budgets. I don't know how you're supposed to play this one, but the way I did it was I did it as a shut the box. And so this one, I had a lot of fun. I actually printed it again because I'm going to play it again as in a different way. So that one's from Boopin' Budgets. It saved us 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It saved us $15. All right. And now moving on, I just finished this one. This one, I also had a lot of fun doing this one. This one is from Budgets with Elma. And the way that we did this was we rolled a D6. Even numbers were $2 and odd numbers were $1. And so yeah, that's how we played it. This one, it saved me 1, 2, 3, 4. It saved me $25 playing that way. Mind you, I'm a low budget girly, so that's a lot for me to save that much money. All right, the next one is going to be crisscross budgets. I made every circle 50 cents, and so we saved $10 with crisscross budgets. This was like a travel series. It comes in 3s, so yeah, that was fun. This one from Budget with Maddie. This one was a mysteries challenge, and it saved us 20 if I'm not mistaken. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep. This one saved us $20. Thank you, Maddie. I don't know if Maddie is still on YouTube. I don't remember. I don't think so, because that came from Amanda, not Maddie. I have all these clips now. This one, this is from Blessed Budgets by Abigail and Boopin' Budgets. They did a collab. You can find it on Boopin' Budgets Ko-Fi. I made every heart 75 cents, and so we saved $15 with this challenge. That was pretty cool. And our last challenge, which was the first one I ever completed for this round of reallocation, this one was the Cafecito budget. We did a roll of D4, and rolling a D4, you guys, we saved $21. So cool. So this should be 21. That's 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20, and $1. We have a lot of ones. A lot of ones. All right. All of these creators are linked below, so you can find them there. Thank you guys so much for having these free Ko-Fi challenges, and also for creators like Amanda who sends out, you know, Happy Mail. All right. So let's go ahead and get into my long-term binder, which is also my savings challenge binder. And we are going to start with emergency. Emergency is going to be getting $21. That is so exciting. So we have 5, let me do 10, 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then $1 for 21. All right, let me make sure that's 21. 15, 16, 17, 18, 21. All right. So now for my emergency fund, we have 200, 300, 400 in the bank, 410, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We have 439. Oh, wow. We are so close to halfway to 500. That makes me excited. That makes me excited. Okay. Car emergency. It has 53, but today car emergency, it will be getting, so car emergency will be getting $15. So let me do 2 5s and 5 1s, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, so now car emergency is going to have 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 68 for car emergency. We are a little ways past halfway to 100. Amazing. Birthdays doesn't have anything. I'm just gonna do 10 for birthdays, because actually birthdays is supposed to be getting 25, but I'm gonna put that extra 10 or that extra 15 in my travel envelope, actually, because it needs it way more. So we're gonna do 10. 1, 2, 3, 5. Should I do 5? I'm gonna do 5, actually. I'm not even gonna, because I don't have any birthdays coming up, so that's why we're gonna do 5, and that's okay. Okay, so for my birthday will not be getting anything. We didn't complete any saving challenges in here, because we have this one from Carly, and it's $26, so it's just taking its time. And then we have travel. Travel is that girl, okay? So travel will be getting 20, 1, 2, 3, hold on, 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But also, like I said, we only put $5 in birthdays, so we should also have an extra 10. And then, let me see. I am looking off to the side. So we do have birthday. Should have been 25, but we only put 5. So we should put another 10 in here. So let me do 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That should be correct. I probably shouldn't have combined this money so I could count it first, but that should be correct. All right. So now for travel, oh wait, this is the money. I'm tripping. You guys. So now travel has 30. Wait a minute. I'm so confused. Where did this money come from? Because this is travel. What? I'm confused. Because I put 30. Oh yeah, because travel had a savings challenge, but I'm also putting the birthday money. You guys, I just confused myself so hard. Okay, so for travel, we're doing, instead of doing the 25 that's originally, we're going to be doing 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. Yeah, 40 is what it needs. It needs 40 so bad, so yeah. So now in travel, we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 6, 7, 8. We have 68. That is amazing. Travel needs that so bad. You guys, because I'm in debt to travel right now. So yeah, I'm gonna move this here until I can condense that. This is extra debt. We just emptied that. All right, that's everything for my long-term savings challenge binder. And we have 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is correct. So the rest of this money is going to be going here. It's going to be going to my debt envelope, which is back here. So my debt envelope has $100, and we will be adding 25. So this is going to be 125. I'm not going to count it. It's 125. I promise. I promise. I promise. So that is so good, you guys. I want this to be $200 by the end of this month, I'm hoping. So that means we need, what, $75? We can do it, you guys. We can do it. We can do that. We can do that. All right. That was a really good reallocation video, you guys. I never said how much money that was because I'm moving kind of fast. I'm not gonna lie. I do have to work today. I'm so sorry. I'll add it up really, really quickly for you guys. So we have 15 plus 21 plus 20 plus 20 plus 15 plus 25. So we just cashed up $106 in saving challenges. That is amazing. That's amazing. For me, as a low budget girly, that's amazing. So very, very happy. Yay. So sorry for the backwardsness of that, but yeah. Just wanted you guys to know we cashed up today $106 in saving challenges. And no matter what your budget is, you guys, we all can do it. You can do it. So if you haven't started and you want to, just start somewhere. Okay, start with envelopes from the dollar store. It doesn't matter. Start with markers from the dollar store or Walmart 98-cent markers. Just start. Okay, you will see the success. Oh, I promise you. All right, so that is everything for this video. I appreciate every single person that tuned in. Please have a good day. Please give someone your smile. It is the most easiest form of charity that God sees. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.